What do you mean?
The 300.
The 3,000. No, it was the 133rd 3,000 curl on Princeton's head, like right there. And how do you know this? That one curl right there, you can always distinguish it.
Which one?
Right there.
Y'all see that curl? That's his little
She
favorite
knows
curl.
it. And the other one, like that one right there, that really wavy one.
Yeah. That really wavy one.
She's very positive that that is the 3 hands. Millionth, whatever curl. Wow, what's up with the rock?
It's from Hawaii.
We had the same hand. The rock from Hawaii. We have the same knuckles. What?
Do you love Princeton?
Yes. Oh wait, punch his leg. Look at his nose.
Look at his everything. It's everything.
Are you in my face?
It's everything.
Here. Ah! Look, it's Cookie Monster. What? Boom.
Hey, that's it, a pro. Say goodbye to the camera, Angelina.
Goodbye.
Well, say again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.